Primetime news this evening. Local government minister defends Adpem's response to Monday's earthquake amid criticisms. Expert says post-traumatic stress disorder likely after quake. And some schools remain closed despite getting the go-ahead to open after tremor.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Well, Janella, Jamaica's trade deficit, that's a gap between imports and exports, it has improved. And I'll have that and more in the business day.
Thank you. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, we've been hearing a lot about the JFF elections, which are constitutionally due by the end of the year. Of course, no date has been forthcoming, however. By tomorrow, though, we might learn more about that. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
All right, and we're hearing about flash flooding and, what is happening from earthquakes to that remain?
Thanks, Janella. There is a flash flood watching effect, particularly for eastern parishes. We are expecting showers and thunderstorms tonight to continue into tomorrow, as well as for tomorrow afternoon and spread further towards the west sometime on Wednesday.
Almost November though, almost the end of the hurricane season, so good things to look forward to. And we also have E-Prime as well as sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what were some of the lessons learned from Monday's earthquake?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can tweet as well at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.